Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to create the chain simulations physics for your Blender 3D animation software. Now you can see this is a chain with a load, 5 kg load, and now if I move the chains, it is going to just simulate the chain animations. And start from now, I'm going to show you all this step by step how to make this. Right, first just click the empty area and press A and delete everything. Then just add a mesh, add a torus. For this torus, just rotate it 90 degree. Then duplicate Shift D, Z up. Then rotate 90 degree. Select two of them. Shift D, Z, Shift D, Z, Shift D, Z, Shift D, Z. Next we are going to create physics. Just click the first one, go to add physics, rigid body, active. The shape, just choose the mesh. Then the rest we are going to just duplicate it. Select all of this, then click the first one, make sure it is highlighted as yellow color. Go to the object, rigid body, then copy from active. Now if you try to play, you can see all fall down. The first one, click and make sure change it to passive and try to play again. Now you can see it all hang together. It is passive. So play. If you press G to move it, cannot, just because of you not set the animated yet. Passive, then tick the animated, just try to play again, then press G. Now you can see this is a chain simulation. Alright. So now you may want to hang something at here. So I click this, go to the edit modes to create something. Just add a UV sphere. Just press S to make it bigger. Move it down in this way, like it is hanging a ball. Then back to the object mode, click the last one. The mass is 1 kg, I change it to become 5 kg, let's say. Then click the first one, try to play, move it. Now the ball is something heavy. You try to press G to move it. Now you can see this is a simulation. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to make a chain simulations with a load for your Blender 3D animations. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!